Hirose Electric boasts a wide variety of new power connectors, and our focus on this video will be on the water-resistant power connectors. EM30 MSD series. The EM30 MSD is a service plug that protects operators from high-voltage shock accidents. By rotating the plug, signal lines are switched on and off. Signal lines are always switched in the off position prior to the plug removal. This will avoid a hot swapping condition. Its multiple contact point design is vibration resistant and sealed with IP68 rating. This makes the EM30 MSD suitable for application in construction equipment and mass transit vehicles. PQ50 WT series. Conventional, large-size, multi-axis robots typically require several cables and interconnects to go between the controller and the robotic arm. Easier cable wiring inside the robotic arm is possible by using branch-style contact on the controller side. The use of a branch contact on the controller side allows for the use of thinner, more flexible wire to go the robotic arm. The Hirose PQ50 WT connector realizes this branching concept. Current flow can be distributed within the connector, which decreases the number of individual cables and simplifies the cabling process. Both plug and receptacle bodies hold 6 housing units each. Various types of housing units are available to maximize the flexibility in your layout. The combination of the housing units can be customized to meet specific application needs, such as hybrid power and signal combinations, and branch and normal contacts in the same connector. A single lever lock design makes for an easy and secure locking operation. HR43 series. The HR43 series connectors offer superior high vibration resistance and are ideal in applications with robotics, construction machinery, and railway vehicles. The HR43 has passed severe vibration testing that is applicable to railway application. The unique clamping method seals each individual wire and achieves an IP67 water-resistant rating. The clamping method seals each individual wire, and this system saves space with a shorter mated connector length when compared to traditional connectors that seal on the cable jacket. The bayonet lock feature is easy to mate and unmate. HR41A series. The HR41A series is a weather-resistant power connector with a lightweight plastic shell. It is suitable for small base stations, outdoor LED lighting, and other outdoor applications. The HR41A features an IP68 waterproof rating. The HR41A has passed long-term sunshine weather test. To protect against lightning surge issues, each contact is separated by the housing wall, which provides for a long creepage distance. The connector is resistant to 15 kilovolts impulses. To mate the connector, simply push the plug straight onto the receptacle. To unmate the connector, simply rotate the plug sleeve in either a left or right direction. The plug and jack feature an innovative bayonet lock assembly that eliminates the need for a threaded assembly. It also decreases the need for torque specifications and periodic retightening of the assembly. All of this contributes to more consistent assembly operation. EM30 MSD series, EV1 series, EM35W series, HMS series, PQ50 WT series, JRW series, HR43 series, HR41 series, PQ50W series, HR41A series, LF series, RMW series, HR34B series, HR30 series,